to my channel. um anyways, today I'll be showing you the best free VPN right now in 2020. The best free VPN you can use on your mobile phone, your tablet or iPad, or your Android TV box, or your Amazon Fire Stick, or whatever you're using. The best VPN you can use now. I'm going to show you the best VPN you can use for free. It is totally free. You don't need to pay anything. Totally free. The best free VPN to use. Before we continue, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also, make sure you click the notification bell icon for more amazing videos for my channel. So we're going to go right into the video, the process of the best free VPN right now. You might don't want to be paying for a VPN. You just need a free VPN to do basic stuff. This is the best VPN you can get right now. So just go with me. Now, first of all, what you need to do, go to Google Play Store, or if you're an Android user, go to Google Play Store. But if you're not an Android user, go to App Store on your iPad. What you're gonna do is just gonna search for what's WHATS VPN. What's VPN is the best VPN, the best free VPN. It is totally free, So let me just show you something on what's VPN. I'm gonna click on it. This is what's VPN. As you can see the W on what's VPN. Now, for instance, people that are using WhatsApp or Facebook, maybe you're in a country, you have restrictions, or you want to use it in a school. It's totally free. This is what's VPN for you and I. So I'm just gonna click on what's new on what's VPN. I'm gonna read about what's VPN. Okay, let me just do something. Okay, this thing is here. Now, what's VPN says what's new. Now you can start free. You can start free VIP to enjoy super fast speed, bypass school firewall, free VPN policy, school, blah 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 blah. It's totally free. This is the best VPN. If you need the free VPN for whatever you need to do, it's the best VPN. So if you don't have it, just make sure you click on install. Okay, click on install. I'm gonna uninstall this one. Let me uninstall this one so you will see. Just click on install. Okay, it's downloading. It just has 10 megabytes, so it's not something that will take too long to do. Okay, so click on install. So as you can see, the process is going. After it has been installed, okay, ignore this for me. Just click on open. Come here and click on open. So this is what's VPN. As you can see, it has a W. Okay, so now we're going to go to what's VPN. We're going to go to it. Okay, because it's free, it has some ads. So let's go to the option here, the top. Click on it. If you want to read them, you can read them here. Feedback or whatever you need to do. Okay, let me just see proxy filter. Okay, if you want to select app that you want to those apps to use the VPN, you can select them. Okay, so this is what's VPN for you and I. This is just what's VPN for you and I. You can see the servers. It has plenty of servers. Basic servers: Canada, Germany, France, United Kingdom, India, Netherlands, Poland, Russia, Singapore, United States, East Coast, United States, West Coast. So these are very fast servers, and they are all totally free. Whatever server I want to click on here is totally free. You don't need to pay anything. So connect what's VPN after it has been downloaded. You can select a feature, an option that you want. If you don't want to be changing your server, just click on the fastest server available here. If you click on the fastest server available here, available here, it will connect for you automatically. Okay, like I said, it has ads, so I think that is France fastest available. That is what's VPN for you and I. So it's totally free. If you want to go to the VIP, you can get VIP here. Okay, so when you click here, you can get just something like watch a whole video to unlock free VIP. So it's simple, you can just watch the video and unlock the free VIP, but it's totally free. Totally free VPN, totally free. So if this is France, we want to connect to Canada, we just connect to Canada. It's connecting to Canada. Now it's connected to Canada, so it's totally free, as I made mention. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and also click the notification bell icon for more amazing videos that are coming to you for my channel. Okay, thank you.